welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen for those of you who are new. And on my channel, Craft to Make, I like to do DIY, some crafting, home decor tours, hauls, like thrift hauls, decor hauls, and a little bit of vlogging. Today on my channel, I'm going to take you guys downstairs and share with you guys my kind of refreshed family room. And if you follow me on Instagram, then shameless plug, I already kind of shared one shot of my family room with a new sign. It's not exactly new. I've had it for a while, but I had it put away for a while because I was enjoying another sign. So anyway, without further ado, so let's go check it out. Right when you get to the bottom of the stairs, this is what you see. A vintage window with a magnolia wreath and this really cute Scrabble board. I will leave a link down below, and just some faux lamb's ear above that I hung up with a nail. This magnolia wreath I got from Pier 1 a couple years ago, and I just took off the magnolia flowers and then I attached it to an old vintage window. The rug I got from Lowe's a few years ago. The table I thrifted and chalk painted white and stained the top. That mirror in the center I got from Home Goods 2 years ago. The light fixture is from Bellacore. The ladder is a DIY. The faux fur poof I got a couple years ago from Target. The blanket on the ladder is from Home Goods. This bin just holds my boys' games and some DVDs, and this one holds a lot of cords, remotes, tablets. They're both functionally organized. I apologize for the lighting down here. It's always kind of dark down here in the family rooms. This sign, as well as that Scrabble board, is also from Crumpet's Home Decor. Again, I will add a link down below in the description box. The amber stand I got from Michael's a few years ago. That frame I chalk painted like a blue color and it was thrifted. This glass votive wood piece I think I found at Hobby Lobby, but I'm not entirely sure. I hate these things. Here's another sign from Crumpet's, another painted thrifted frame, and that galvanized 9 is actually a 6, but they had no 6s at the time when I was at Michael's shopping, so I just flipped it around. This is a wood DIY valance box that my husband made. I kind of told him what I wanted and he made it, and then he hung it up, and then I made the drop cloth curtains. Up above is a cute mercantile sign a gal sent me a few years ago. I don't remember the name of her shop, but if I do, I'll link it down below. The antique chair I got at an antique store several years ago, and the fiddly fig tree I got at Michael's a few years ago, and it's just in a thrifted antique crock. Sorry if you see any cords or anything ugly. We have a window AC unit that I'm hiding behind the curtains. But this table I thrifted, and then down here I just have a basket. I have a thrifted basket with some decorative balls in it. And you can see some ugly cords and a tag down there. And that is just a replica sugar mold, a lamp I got at Target, and a burlap lampshade I also got at Target. And now you guys get a voiceover, because at this point in my filming I realized that the rest of my video recording I was covering the microphone with my thumb. So the Let's Stay Home sign is from Sincerely Us shop. I will link them down below. The galvanized buckets are from Hobby Lobby. The greenery is from Michael's. The wooden arches I stained and I found them at the thrift store, and I put the galvanized buckets inside of them. I love that the wood matches the Let's Stay Home wood on the canvas sign. The couch is from Ashley Home Furniture. It's a charcoal gray sectional. the pillows with like the woven trim I got at Home Goods a few years ago, as well as the gray tassel blanket. If you have questions about anything else in this video that I did not mention, please leave me a comment down below and I will be sure to answer. Thanks, guys. Enjoyed today's video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and I will be back with another video. I think it's going to be like a question and answer with my hubby and I, if I can get him to sit in front of the camera, which will be hard because he's pretty shy, but I think that's what we're going to do, so stay tuned for that. But again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it some love, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye!